Remove the 5 buckles first, and then remove the plastic guard. Remove 7 screws. Remove 4 screws on the left and right sides. Remove the bottom 4 screws. Unplug the radar cable. Loosen the clips and remove the front bumper. Remove a total of 33 screws on the back. Unplug the radar plug. Note to loosen a few clips, then take out the grille and chrome strips. Remove the 8 screws. Replace the daytime running lights. Replace the original screws and the original chrome strip. Replace the original grille. Wiring diagram. The adapter cable is connected to both ends of the headlight plug. Connect the lights on 2 sides with an adapter cable. Arrange and fix the wiring harness. Replace the front bumper. Replace the radar cable. The installation is complete.